here, I wanted to give you a tutorial on how to sterilize your jars for any type of fermentation. So you're gonna take your clean jars and you're gonna boil a pot of water. And once it's boiled, you're gonna fill your jar all the way to the rim. And once it's full to the rim, you're gonna let it sit for 1 minute. And once it's been sitting there for 1 minute, be sure to wear a oven mitt. You're just gonna pour the water out. Be careful not to burn yourself. Okay, and then you're gonna do it again. So repeat the process. You're gonna fill the jars all the way to the top and let them sit there for 1 minute and pour them out. Easy peasy. And if you want to sterilize your lids and fermentation devices, I have a pickle pipe here. You're gonna pour the boiling water on top of those and just let them sit for a few minutes. Now, once you have dumped the water out and everything is cooled down, you want to use these right away. You don't want to use them while they're still hot because it then kills the microbes that we're wanting to use to ferment. And that's why we're using hot waters to kill microbes. So let the jars cool and use them right away. So this is one method of 5 that I've given you to easily sterilize your jars for fermentation. So hope to see you in the fermentation classes.